All right, let's take a look at number 8. So this one I picked because at some point we're going to have a fraction within a fraction, or in math, something that we call a complex fraction. So I wanted to show you how to simplify that once you get there. Okay, a lot of your calculators will do it if you pick the Casio that I recommended for the class. But some of you are using your Texas Instruments, or maybe you might not have a calculator. So I did want to show you how to do it right now. All right, so we're going to go in here and we're going to label our points in the usual way. And let's execute them. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we know that the minus, that's going to become a plus. So we're really looking at 1/4 plus 1/2 over 1/4 minus 7. Now, if you have the calculator that I recommended for the class, you can honestly put it in from there and be done with it. So you're going to hit your fraction and fraction again to get that 1/4 plus fraction 1/2, and then down a little bit to the bottom, and again 1/4 minus fraction 7. A lot to put in. Okay, so but worth it to get it out like that really nicely. Holy mackerel. Okay. Now, if you're the person with a calculator, cool, you can stop the video and move right along. But if you're somebody who doesn't have that calculator, let's continue on and show each piece, okay? So to do 1/4 plus 1/2, we need common denominators. So I'm going to multiply by 2's for both the top and the bottom to get 1/4 plus 2/4. So 1/4 plus 2/4 gets us 3/4 for the top. Okay, so here we are with our top. Let's figure out what our bottom is. So we have to do 1/4 minus 7/8. So we're going to go ahead and multiply by 2 to turn that 4 into an 8, because we have to have common denominators. So 2/8 minus 7/8 will get us -5/8 for the denominator. Now this is going to come up quite a bit where you're going to have a fraction on top of another fraction. So remember that that just means the top is being divided by the bottom. And with fractions, you never actually divide, you flip the second fraction and you make it multiplication. All right, so I like to cross cancel, so I reduce early. So I can see that these two numbers, 4 goes into both of them. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. I've now shrank it down to be a much simpler problem. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times -5 is -5. So that's how you would do it if you're going to be doing it by hand. I can't show every calculator, but if you have any questions about your specific calculator, feel free to email it to me and I can show you. I'll just get the image of it off the internet to show you which buttons to click. All right, hopefully this helps you out with number 8. Take care.